Welcome to the class today. So today we're asked to draw the electronic configuration of magnesium, nitrogen, and calcium. But then before we start, first off you need to know the atomic number of these elements before you start drawing the electronic configuration. If you still don't know if you still don't know your first 20 elements, because all these elements are in the first 20 elements, if you still don't know them, advise that you go to my previous video to watch the videos I did there. The song I used to memorize the first 20 elements until it became part of me. I promise that, sorry, let me not promise, but then I know that after watching that video and you practice, you will be able to know the first 20 elements offhand without looking at the book, okay? Or even without even singing the song after some time. So let's have fun. The first one is magnesium. We're asked to draw the electronic configuration of magnesium. So A. Magnesium has atomic number of 12, right? So in order to draw it, as mentioned earlier, we said that the first shell, this is the nucleus, the first shell can contain a maximum of 2 electrons, and it is done this way, okay? Then we go to the second shell. The second shell will contain a maximum of 8 electrons, but then we are going to 12. If you have 8 outside, add it to the 2 inside, you should have 10. It's not up to 12 yet, so we are free to put 8 outside because we're still on point. So this is 8. 8 plus 2 inside, that is 12. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are going to 12, right? That means you need to add another shell. So 10. 12 minus 2 is 10, right? That means you have to add additional 2. Remember I told you in my previous video where we did electronic configuration, I said you can't add 2 like this. You first of all fill here. Sorry, you first of all draw one here, another one here, another one here, and one here, making 4, before you now pair them. Okay? So we have 1, that is 11, and the next one 12. So this is the electronic configuration of magnesium. You can see it's very, very simple. Now, if you are being asked how many valence ion do magnesium have, it is simply 2. That is the one at the outermost shell. And that is why, and elements that have 2 valence electrons outside are metals. In fact, when I have 1, 2, 3, they are all metals. We'll get there. That is when we get to the periodic table and properties of periodic table. So the next one is B. Our B, so our B is nitrogen. Nitrogen is represented, the formula for nitrogen is N, capital letter N, and it has atomic number of 7. Okay, so let's draw. The first one will accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons. Then we'll have a dense nucleus at the center. The next one is what? Now, we're going to 7. So if you draw 8 outside, it will be 8 plus 2, 10. This is more than 7. So that's the 7 minus 2 is 5. So the next one will, what is left is 5 electrons. So we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that when we count, it will be 7 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Complete. C, which is calcium. Calcium has atomic number of 20. The first shell we take 2. 1, 2. With the dense nucleus. Dense center, which is nucleus. Second one we take accommodate what? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the third one we accommodate another 8. That is 2 plus 8 is 10. If we add another 8 is 18. It's not up to 20 yet. So we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 18 now. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Then the last shell that will make it 20. We have 1, 2. Okay? So that when we count, to count 1, 2, 2 plus 8 outside, that is 10. Plus another 8, that is 18. Plus 2. Right. So, this is the electronic configuration of calcium. The electron outside is 2. That means it has 2 valence electron at the outermost shell. So let me also just give you a head on to periodic table. What we do in the periodic table, so that you get your mind, so that even though probably before you watch that, you should be able to know. This element now is 1, 2, is in group 2. 1, 2, group 2. This one is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to tell me what group it is. When we get to the periodic table, you'll be able to do all of them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Also clap for me too. And then, please don't forget to subscribe and share widely to support my ministry. Bye.